This is a Duchess design that's getting built at Brookfield at the moment. It's on a sloping site, but we'll have a quick look through. It's been modified to suit the client's requirements and obviously follow the natural contours of the land. So it's got two different modules that are articulated so that you don't have to worry about massive big retaining walls, drainage problems. But this is the garage in here. It's got nice big high ceilings. It's got 35-degree roof pitches. So walk through. So this is a scullery in here, or a butler's kitchen. This is the main kitchen. And they've got a great big open plan living area with rake ceilings. And the area here is going to be a feature two-way fireplace. And that flows out. There's going to be an outside entertaining area and an infinity swimming pool off here. So it's got a nice outlook, big open plan, great big stacking sliding doors are going in here and at the end of the house, and then the outdoor living area off the end of the living area. Up here we've got the bedroom wing. So there'll be a breezeway that connects the two. Down this end we've got the master bedroom. And once again it's going to be highlight windows above here, stacking sliding doors. It's a nice big open plan one with a large ensuite in here. There's like a little family area. The laundry there. Bedroom 4. Bedroom 3. Yeah. Bedroom 2, and there's like a little art studio down the end here, which is a little self-contained, so it could be like a granny flat or a guest room. The builder of this house here is DC House. They've built quite a few houses for us. They built the Pine, they've built the Hearst, they built a house up in Harvey Bay, a house in Rarotonga is under construction with them as well. But great builders and really good at doing these architecturally designed homes with the big open spans. This house is only a couple of weeks into construction, and it'll probably take about another 3 months before it's completed.